What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's me, Elwood from Ask Elwood, and I'm here to answer your questions from the internet. So this first question comes from Maxie Mans on Instagram, and he asks, wondering the best way to get off my midsoles. Long story, my girlfriend stuck her gum on my shoe and broke up with her yesterday. Oh, by the way, there are union ones. Very delicate subject for me. Well, you made the right choice to dump your girlfriend because they are union ones, and they're pretty fire, and they're really hard to come by nowadays.
You know, I wasted everyone's money, I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad.
It's actually really easy to remove gum from your shoes. All you need is an ice cube, and what you can do is like grab the ice cube and kind of rub it against the gum. That'll make it really like hard, so then you could use maybe like a tool like a screwdriver and then pick it out so it could go out in like one piece. So this next question comes from Paul from our Ask Elwood email, and he asks, any tips on getting Cholula hot sauce stain out of white knit Nike Huarache Run SE? I've tried your product but have had no luck. Any tips? Well, your first mistake was using Cholula because everybody knows that Tapatio es una salsa, muy salsa. So hot sauce tends to be acidic, same goes for mustard. It kind of burns onto the materials of the shoe. We've had a pair of Concord 11s that came in one time, and the hot sauce spilled on the white mesh of the shoes, and the most we could do is just fade it out, but not get it out completely. In case you ever get hot sauce on your shoe, I recommend not wiping it with your finger or a paper napkin because that'll just make it worse. I would use cold water to like rinse it out immediately, and then right when you get home, I would use some solution and a premium brush to scrub it out. That's why we always recommend using Repel for these kinds of sneakers, just in case anything like this happens. Es una Repel, muy Repel. This next question comes from Itara Tilly on Reddit, and he asks, I got a blue denim stain on the back of my Wave Runners on the suede. Any idea what I could do here? For denim stains, I like to use the premium brush and some solution. On these Wave Runners on the suede right here, you would get the premium brush, put some solution on it, and then kind of just scrub in a circular motion, making sure there's enough foam on the shoe to lift up the stains. After that, get the microfiber towel and wipe it down. Afterwards, dip this in a bowl of clean water and then scrub at it again, making sure all the solution is out. And then afterwards, just pinch and squeeze out all the water that's stuck in the suede, and then you should be good to go. Thanks for watching this episode of Ask Elwood. What was that? Oh, a package. I wonder who it's from. Hey Elwood, here's a pair of the new Nike SB Jordan 1s. All right, what's the best way to clean these? Your friends from Sneaker Politics. Thanks, Sneaker Politics. Okay, it's the Jordan 1 Nike SBs in the light bone colorway. I think there's a Lakers colorway coming out too with these. All right, I can see that there's some gray and there's like a pink layer underneath it. And then kind of same with the black too. There's like a hot pink color. Kind of adjacent to these laces that come with it as well too. And there's some Nike SB branding on the tongue as well. It's pretty sick. And these are kind of like the Lance Mountain Jordan 1s that came out a few years ago, like how it revealed the bread and royal colorway. But for these ones, it's a kind of new colorway. It actually takes a lot of wear to get these stripped down to the under layers. So you can clean these normally without stripping the paint off. What you'll need is a standard brush and the solution. If you want to be extra careful, you could use the premium brush too on these. The material should be safe and it won't strip out any paint. And yeah, these are really sick, so thanks, Sneaker Politics. And that's it for this episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood, and if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a question for me, leave it below in the comments section, or you can go to jasonmarkk.com at the Sneaker Care 101 page and ask me there, and I'll see you next episode.